If you want to shot like this photography in mobile, first you must have patience, and let's see how I shot this video and photos in mobile. Actually, I have been watched a couple of days that squirrel come to the spot and searching for food, and I noticed this and I decided to capture its photo in mobile. The next day morning, I put some food on the roof in front of my home and waited in my home and watched a lot more times. When it came, I started moving towards it. First, I stayed in a long distance and take a photo. I am not satisfied with it because it's too have long distance. I don't have DSLR. So I decided to move closely towards a squirrel as much as a little bit and shot a photo. I am not satisfied with that photo because it's too look like long shot. So I moved closely a little bit without disturbing the squirrel. Everyone know phone did not capture a best photo in a long distance. So I moved closely and without disturbing them. I took photos and videos. In every photography I do the same in mobile to get the best results. Now in your mind there is a question, how he shot some photos without disturbing a squirrel? It's impossible. Yes, it's impossible, but I tried a lot of days in a week to capture its photos. While I am doing like this photography in mobile, I struggled a lot because it's too sharp in listening. When it saw me, it ran away. At the time I down my mobile, then it feels like no one is monitoring and again it starts to eat the food. At the time, slowly I captured the best moment of the squirrel along with video. It is the trick I follow in my mobile photography. Guys, if you do like this, you may capture the best photos. So always keep in mind, when approaching the subject very closely at the time, we must carefully move without disturbing. Check out my Instagram account for more mobile photographs. Hope you guys like this video. If you like the trick to follow, comment below and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming mobile photographs videos.